Basically, my talk tomorrow will be about beyond monitoring. Monitoring software will give you a number of results, but then what do you do with those results? How to interpret them? So what I'm going to do in order to make you think outside the box is actually confuse you a little bit by taking a few concepts that come from other disciplines, especially mathematics and communications and quantum physics. And hopefully you'll figure out what does this mean in terms of diagnosing your database. I learned this actually from being a parent. I have 5 kids. And basically, as I confuse them, I make them think, and they learn. The numbers, I think they have different speeds, but the names are first Newton, different equations. When it comes to show status like connections is, do you need to know the value or how it changes? Nyquist sampling theorem, and this is the problem I'm having right now. Basically, you have to sample. At what rate do you sample? And the theorem that says that you have to sample twice the number of the event. Here you can see an example where you experience aliasing. And if you do the sampling right, those peaks at the end basically mean now I'm sampling at the rate that it's happening. Heisenberg's principle basically is when you measure something, you might actually be affecting what you're measuring. And for example, your tests are increasing the number of connections. So what do you do now when MySQL doesn't help? For example, you have a lot of aborted connections. And from now on, I'm going to talk only about Linux tools, since I'm not an OS X user, use Google. Well, you use other resources like SAR, netstat, IOStat, TCP dump, Wireshark, and lots of that. I'm not going to explain anything of that here. Man is your man, and so is Google your friend. Basically, you need to understand what is the underlying application and the database usage you're looking at, so you can do and design your sample in what, that's Newton, when, that is Nyquist, and how, that is Heisenberg. So, and those are basically the concepts: rate of change, sample rate, and uncertainty. Test, interpret, learn, and repeat until satisfied.